The Garmin Montana is a great unit for use in oil and gas. Before you could use it in oil and gas efficiently, you'll need some mapping. The better mapping for oil and gas is the Patchmap Topo for the oil and gas sector made by Sky-based mapping. I'll show you how to install the mapping on your Garmin Montana. The Patchmap Oil and Gas maps come on a microSD card in an SD card adapter. This SD card adapter is good for some older units such as a Nuvi 350, 360, 600 series, and some handhelds like the Colorado. The newer units use the microSD card, which is located in the bottom of this card. To get the card out, just get your nail on the end there and just kind of pull it out. So this is the microSD card that's going to go into your current GPS. Just take the back cover off. Battery out, and underneath the battery is where the memory card goes. To open it, just pull it towards the camera, lift it up, put the card in, kind of wiggle it around till it seats properly, push the metal cover down. Sometimes it sticks a bit, and then push it up. So the card's in place now, it won't fall out. Put the battery back in, cover back on. Now let's verify the mapping. Now that the maps are in the unit, you're going to need to verify that they're working before heading out into the field. There's a couple ways of doing that. The first way I'll show you is through the main menu. Go into Setup and then Map. Inside Map we have Map Information, so select it. In this map list, we're looking for Patchmap, which is right here, and it's enabled and it's working. Sometimes other maps interfere with the map you want to use. If that's the case, just select the map you think is interfering and then select Disable. That way it'll turn it off. Let's look at verifying the map now via the map screen. Go into Map. And I can tell this is the Patchmap Topo just because I could see quarter section numbers. But I could also verify by going outside the city here. So let's zoom out. And we'll pan over to the countryside here and zoom in. As we zoom in, if we're in an area with a well site, we should see that info. And I see it right there. So I've put that over top, it'll say well site. That blue line there, that most likely is a hole that they're drilling. Let's search an LSD to test that function of the software. So let's go back to our main menu. Select Where To. We'll find another. Go into All POIs. And then start typing in the LSD. Hit these bars there, and LSDs are numbers, so we'll go into numbers. So we'll go 13-28 -26. I could put more in, but I'm just going to put that. So the unit came up with a bunch of options. So the LSD search is working. To verify, just select the one that you were looking for. And yep, that's where it is on the map. So we could hit the go button to go to it. That was an introduction to installing the Patchmap Oil and Gas maps on your Garmin Montana.